Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Welcome back to my YouTube channel viewers. How are you all, my YouTube community and my sweet friends? I hope my all the lovely viewers are good and healthy. So Allah bless you all and always be happy, friends. First of all, thank you so much viewers for watching my previous videos and supporting me. I am very happy to see this and I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Secondly, you can see friends, in this video I am providing you most amazing and most attractive designs of earbuds case covers. It's totally handmade crochet case covers. So please don't skip the video, watch the video start to end because all of these designs are so stunning, so unique and very attractive. And these covers are protect your earbuds cases. I hope you all love these type of themes and these type of designs. So ever share this video with your family and lovely friends who want these type of most attractive designs and handmade crochet ideas. I really hope that they will love these most popular case cover ideas. You know guys, different people have different choices and they love different type of colors. So in this video I will see different colors, different decent and most amazing designs. Must apply these popular designs for more beautiful and outclass look. Thank you viewers for watching this video. For those people who are searching beautiful and outclass collection, it's a most amazing and most popular collection for them. They will get new designs, new ideas related to your handmade crochet items. So if you all love this article and if you want more and more designs, so like my video, subscribe my channel. Please don't forget to press the bell icon for new and latest update. When you press the bell icon, receive the notification. Be connected with me. Bye bye. See you soon.